K. Oh man, I'm back with another one. Yes, sir. Credit K dropping gems all 2023. And I'm going to show you how to remove everything from your credit report in 14 days. Yes, 14 days is that easy. I'm going to show you no more writing letters, sending them off, waiting 30, 40 days. We're going to do this all on the computer. Save you some time, save you some energy, save you some ink, save some stamps, all that good stuff. So hit that like button, smash the subscribe button. All 2023, I'm back with videos every single day to help you level up in life, manage your credit, manage your business credit, crypto, everything finance related. Let's get it. All right. So, of course, as always, we're going to hop into the websites that are pertinent for this method. Go grab your pen, grab your paper, grab your coffee, because we're going to learn some things today. All right. So, of course, with this method, 14 days, I tried it myself. I know it works. I removed the late payment with this method. So it's certified. Now, bankruptcies, student loans are a little bit tougher to get off, so be patient with those. But we're going to dispute every other negative item on your credit report besides inquiries. I got something separate for inquiries, but this is for late payments, repos, foreclosures, collections, late payments, auto repos, everything that's negative on your report. You're going to go download a credit report and then get into it. So now with Credit Karma, you can't use that credit report. You need to download a certified credit report from Identity IQ. I have a link down in the description. So go ahead and use that link. You'll get a discount for looking up your credit reports. I recommend, using it for 3 to 4 months while you monitor your credit. I'm telling you, it's the best feeling in the world when you get those alerts. You see your credit score jumped up, 20, 30 points, man. It's like a real dopamine hit. So go ahead, drop down the link down in the description. And then I'm going to show you how to look at those credit reports and determine, what information you need to look at in order to get these items removed. So let's go. Guys, how to read your credit report. Of course, go down to the link down in my description, Identity IQ. Go ahead and sign up, get your credit report. You cannot use Credit Karma because they do not show the account numbers, as well as they only show Experian and Equifax credit score. So you need all three. If you signed up with another company that does show you account numbers and have all three bureaus, perfectly fine with using that one. If not, then use the link down in my description. I recommend holding on to it for 2 or 3 months and then letting it go once you see, all the results and scores starting to go up. Even though I said it takes 14 days, like I said, your score will continuously go up as, you remove these things and all your positive trade lines start to report. And I'm telling you, it's the best feeling in the world. So for this 700, this is like a company that does credit reports. But what you're looking for is, if you see here, like Central Bank, that's the name, account name will be usually in bold, and then the account number is really right next to it or right under it. So this guy is 30 days late. So he wants to go ahead and get this stuff turned in. Here's a collection account. And that's who the owner of it. So it is like a doctor. Somebody put him in collections. And then account numbers right under there. So that's all you need. On that letter, I'm going to show you in the next screen. When we actually go to the CFBP website, you're going to copy and paste a letter that I have down in the description right in there. And you're going to plug in the name and the account number in there as well. Very, very easy for you guys. So you see how to read your credit report. You can see, things are late, things are red. Every, report is kind of looks a little different, but they all set up very similar. They show you how many days you've been reporting, how many days you're late, what's your opening balance, original balance, how much you owe on it now. If it's in collections, if it's 30 days late. We give you all of these on Identity IQ. So go ahead and download that one and check it out. Now let's go ahead and go to the website and get to the good part. Of course, we are on the website, the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. If you do not know what that means, that's what that stands for. All you need to do is just type CFPB into Google. You'll see this site come up. You click on the first one. And then we are going to go to submit a claim, submit a complaint. After we do that, we're going to hit this blue button, start a complaint. And then you just get started. So you're going to already submitted the complaint, created the complaint. So if you already did this before, you got an account already, just go ahead and log in. If not, then you're going to put all your information here and create an account. I already have an account, so let me log ahead and log in. All right, so now that I'm logged in, we're going to click on credit reporting. This one right here. Now remember, we're going step by step. All right, so we got the credit reporting services. Next, we're going to do credit reporting. Hit next. Wait for it to load. It's going to come, so improper use of credit report. Improper use of credit report. So after we do improper use, and we do credit reporting, use it improperly. And then have you already tried to fix this problem with the company? And then of course, yes. Hit next. All right, so now once you get to this screen, you're gonna put everything from your credit report into this, well, not everything, but the name and the account number, as well as bonus information. Now this information is going to be linked down in the description, so you can just copy and paste it. I already got it pulled up here, so let me pull this up and copy and paste it right on in there. All right, boom. So we're just gonna copy and paste this bow and here. So it's a collection, repo, foreclosure, late payment. You're gonna put the name of the late payment. So if it was like Nissan, Ford for late payment, Chevrolet, whoever your Santander, whoever your lender is, the name of that, whatever the name of the collection company, Amex, Chase. If you're late on credit cards, whatever it is, you're gonna put the account name here, and then right below that on your credit report, where I showed you earlier, is the account number. So you put the name and account number. You can list everything. So you're going to list everything that's negative except inquiry. So everything that's hurting your credit that you want to get removed. Now, late payments is a little different. If you're late, 30 days late, you don't plan on recouping that account. If your account is under 2 years old, then you're probably going to go ahead and go and remove the whole thing. Now, if you just 30 days late and it's an account you done had 3, 4, 5 plus years, it's a high amount on the credit card, or it's a good loan like a BMW or Mercedes loan, then you probably want to keep that on there. So you might not want to list those. There's something different for late payments. I can do another video for that, but just kind of be mindful. But this is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes and education purposes. So once you get those listed on there, come here and submit. All right. All right. So once you got everything listed on here, you check, I want to publish to the CFPB. Then what would be a fair resolution to this? Delete these accounts immediately, ASAP, expeditiously, now, whatever kind of lingo you want to lose, but you want to delete these accounts. That is the fair resolution. And you could attach your credit report, circle, took a picture of it, circle the account number, just to make sure they got the right information on there. That's really not necessary, but if you want to do that, feel free to do that. Then we go next. And then this is here where you're going to list each credit reporting company or bureau. So, of course, we got Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. All right, so once you get to step 45, this company, credit reporting company, you're going to do Equifax Credit Reporting Bureau. Once you start typing, it kind of pre-populates a bunch of Equifax. So you're going to do Equifax Credit Bureau first. Make sure you check all these. So sometimes they act like they don't know, your information, even though they do. So check all these, fill this part out, put your full name, middle name, junior, senior, whatever is on there. And then you're going to go to, do you want to complain about another company? Yes. So we're going to do all 3 credit bureaus. First, we got Equifax. Then we got Experian. So we're going to do Experian. Same thing. Once you start typing, it pre-populates. But we're going to do Experian Information Solutions for this one. Hold on. I did the wrong one. For this one, we're going to do Experian Credit Bureau. And then same thing, have you already tried to fix this? Yes, blah, blah, blah. Yes, social security number, same thing. And then one more time, because we got Experian, Equifax, now we got to do TransUnion. And for TransUnion, we can do Intermediate Holdings, TransUnion LLC, Consumer Dispute Center. Either one of these have worked for me and some of my clients in the past. So any one of these will work. And the same thing, you're going to click on all of these and get it popping. Why is it not letting me do this? What are we doing? And then after that, we go next, and that is it. So that's just kind of just finalizing everything. Yes, I'm reporting all these companies. And then you'll finish up and zip the complaint. They're going to give you an email at the end. Once you get that email, go ahead and record your account number, your confirmation number, everything, so you can log back in and keep track. Make sure you save your login information for this, or you can reset the password if you do forget. And then 15 days later, you can come back to this website and see the updates, or you can check your credit report and start seeing all those negative accounts drop off, baby. Let's go. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Until next time, your boy Kevin Blackman, Credit K, dropping gems all 2023.